everyone, a Merry Christmas to all of you. I am Sneha and welcome to my YouTube channel Sneha Just Scribbles. Today I am here with another video review, this time with a horror fiction, The Belvedere Brook Haunting by Abhirup Dhar. This is really a scary story set in Darjeeling. The story starts on 13th January 1961, and 13th January plays an important role all through the novel. You have to read the novel to read it. And one thing I must confess that I am not a fan of horror fiction because it scared me to the hell. But the thing is about this horror fiction is it's horrific, but still at the same time it's so interesting that you can't put it down, no matter however horrified or scared you are. And this novel have given me quite a nightmare, so you can imagine that on which level this is scary. And the story revolves around Darjeeling, a bungalow in particular in Darjeeling, and all the events mostly occurred there only, and how the story plays out, how the ghost, or we can say the bad soul entered the novel, and how everything will be turned around. It's a quite a roller coaster ride filled with horror. You can see the glimpses of scenic beauty of Darjeeling all through the novel, and at the same time, the night scenes are described in so many with so many details that you will feel goosebumps all through the novel most of the time, and you will feel like you are watching a horror movie, and what will happen next will keep you hooked all through the novel. The story is quite interesting and strong, I must say. The characters are brilliantly done, and with the twist at the end is really a master stroke. I am not going to reveal it. You have to read the story to know about it. This is my second book by Abhirup Dhar, and I must say, the more I read of him, the more I am becoming fan of him. And I have given this book 5 by 5 star, mostly because I really loved reading a book after a long time, and specifically a horror fiction, because I avoid horror fiction as much as I can. But when I pick up a book by Avib Dhar, it is obviously a page turner, and this book is quite a page turner, I must say. And the language is lucid, and the narration is fast paced, and things will keep happening, and there is not a dull moment in all the novel. And the one thing I loved about this novel is the sequences are made in such a way that it will not feel that like forced or something. You will completely love the book. And as the cover suggests, it's filled with night scenes and all that thing. So mm, please read this novel and share your views with us. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and share this video as much as you can. Have a happy holidays.